So I got a woman with me, and look at all the stuff she's got back there. And I'm driving a little mini car. It's like a clown car. How's it going, YouTube? We just got ourselves into a beautiful camp spot. We're in an area where we're going to do some new things. And right here, let me show you. I just got camp somewhat set up. But here's the view right here. All right, let's see what the back looks like. The road in wasn't too bad. We had some plates fall down. Not a big deal. I got a lot of paper towels because you just never know. The fridge is a mess. That kind of sucks. I hate when the fridge does this. Well, we do have a little bit of a disaster. I'm glad this is in a bag, but looks like the eggs did not make it very well. We got 4 eggs, so only 1 egg went south, as you can see right there. Usually when I do my eggs, I like to do them in a little 6-pack carton, like that. And that works pretty good. I do got something special with, this is way bigger of a sweet potato than I wanted. Look at that thing. That thing is huge. So I got an idea on that. I should actually get that going here pretty soon because this is going to probably take a good hour to cook. I'm excited for this weekend, get away from the daily grind. All right, we're going to get this sweet potato, expecting a sweet potato this big. We're going to do, oh God, let's see if I can get this thing cut. See if I can get this pulled apart. Oh, there we go. There's our sweet potato. I'm going to see how this cooks as a half potato. I think I'm going to do this down. All right, let's see what we get. We're gonna get our potato on there, and we're gonna let that cook while we finish setting up camp. Some lemon chicken noodle dinner. I don't really have a name for it, but we're gonna use some chicken, some of these noodles. We'll throw some lemon juice in there. I got the sweet potato cooking. Tacos. We're gonna do some spaghetti. I think we're gonna do some pork chop. Now we're going to get this on the campfire pit. Alright, we're going to get this on. We're going to kind of get this cooking and stirring. Sweet potato ready to go. It's hot. So we're going to get this cut up. Now we're going to get our sour cream on there. I apologize for the loud generator you hear in here. Sometimes I can't find spots where I'm completely in the middle of nowhere, and currently it is mid-July and it is busy season in Colorado, camping everywhere, peak vacation. So you're going to see a little bit of reality of what Colorado looks like in the middle of July, especially at a lake. Looks like I got a little bit of lemon juice in there. I think this would taste pretty good. That's good. See what our sweet potato tastes like. That's really good. Okay guys, we're gonna get lunch prepared for tomorrow. Fun little hike we're gonna do and do some fishing up in a high Alpine lake. So I'm gonna get some summer sausage and some cheese cut up and get I'm gonna do Triscuits as well so I can have something to make a nice little meal while we're fishing. Alright guys, we're gonna finish up our little bit of our painting we're doing. We got a little bit to do down in here in the reflection, and then I got some little bit of some touch-up. So I think I want to get this reflection squared away, so let's do that real quick. We're gonna get ourselves ready for bed. It's pretty cold out right now, but we're also camped by a creek just across the road, which is pretty nice, and I'm looking forward to hearing that throughout the night. I will see you guys in the morning. It's gonna be probably hot in probably a couple hours. Luckily I'm gonna be doing a hike where I'm gonna be probably, I don't know, I think it's like 10, no, actually it might be close to 12,000 feet. We're gonna get some breakfast going, and we're gonna make some pancakes and some sausage, probably is what we're gonna do. I had to charge a few things throughout the night. I like having a charger in the back of this camper over here. It makes things a lot easier. I had to charge my lantern. Alright, we're gonna give this a good old mix. I'm gonna do some sausage as well. I probably won't do any hash browns, but you know what? I will probably do an egg. Get this all buttered up. Let me see if I can maybe get this to go a little better. Pop that on there. Alright, so this actually probably burned already. God, that was fast. Wow. Okay, so much for pancakes this morning. Alright, we're gonna try this again. I made a flat out mess of the pancakes, so we're gonna just do my normal hash browns, sausage, and egg. Can't figure out how to get pancakes cooking on this stainless steel skillet. My other skillet I had no issues, but this one I'm having a heck of a time with it. And I think I'm going to put a little bit of Canadian bacon in too. Breakfast is served. Pretty simple breakfast, but it's going to be better than that mess of pancakes I was trying to make this morning. I always seem to be more hungry when I'm out camping. Alright, we made it to the trailhead. We are going to go and do, I think it's 3.6 miles to the lake, if I remember correctly. Hang out up there for a little bit and hopefully beat the heat. It's looking like this trailhead is busy this morning, so we're probably going to run into a lot of people. Okay, we just got on the trail. We are getting ready to do, it's actually 3 miles to the lake. And when we get to the lake, it's a pretty steady climb all the way through. So let's get going. Too early, hands already warm, working for a better day, trying to keep me warm. Boss man count his tally, we just count our turn. Fair don't come easy, I had to stand and fight for mine. Oh, no. Alright, so we just made it to the lower lake, and now we're going to go up and do the upper lake, and that's where we're going to fish. I saw some fish jumping in the little lake, but I don't think I want to fish out, and I want to fish in the upper. But look at this view right here of this pond again, which is kind of really what it is. Alright, we made it to the lake. Absolutely beautiful. There's a few people fishing, and we got kind of a summer camp up here, but other than that, really gorgeous. We're going to try some fishing. I'm going to see if I can get out a little bit and see if I can get some bites. Oh, this is a beautiful area. I'm gonna have me some Triscuits, summer sausage, and cheese. Not bad.
People talk about difference, but I just see the same. Every heart need kindness, every soul need a name, and we're deep.
Alright, we are gonna leave this beautiful lake and work our way back down to the vehicle. Then we're gonna do some stuff at camp. God, that's a cool lake. Let's get going. Oh, we made it back to the parking lot. That was a beautiful hike out. It was peaceful. I want to make some campfire lemonade, so stay tuned for that. Alright, we made it back to camp. We're gonna get ourselves kind of situated here a little bit, and it looks like we're gonna have a little bit of some rain. Look at the storm kind of coming in, but I think I'm gonna kind of rinse off a little bit and get myself freshened up a little bit. I got pretty sweaty on that hike, so I'm gonna do that real quick. I want to make some campfire lemonade. I've never tried this before, and I want to see. Ooh, let me get you guys situated here. I want to make some campfire lemonade. I've never made it before, and I really would like to try it. So I'm just actually going to use lemon juice, which I have enough in there. I'm going to do it with just some lemon juice, and I got some monk fruit that I'm going to use as my sweetener, because I'm not going to put real sugar in it. I'm sitting here at camp, and it's raining. I forgot what that sounds and feels like in Colorado. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but see the rain? And you can kind of see it on my... Oh, that is nice to see in Colorado. I'm hoping it's mid-July, so I'm hoping we get a monsoon and we get some moisture. I got my campfire lemonade made. I got it heated, boiled, the lemons in there. The monk fruit I'm using as a sweetener. It's all natural, all healthy. I'm putting that in there, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put a little more water in there. I gotta let it cool off still. It's a little warm at the moment, but I kind of want to just do a quick little taste test to see. That's not bad. It just needs to cool down.
Children laughing somewhere, sounds of better days. Keep the light inside you, don't let the darkness stay.
Yeah, you can't see the eagle out there, but you can see him. He's right over there. You can barely see him in the camera.
We all walk this same good earth, just trying to ease our mind.
Yeah, it's a pretty lake. I enjoy hanging out here.
Grace is gonna help.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna let her get it done. And she's gonna give you 38 too.
Morning comes too early, hands already warm, working for a better day, trying to keep me warm.